Today we're gonna make a quick and easy tortilla pizza in the toaster oven. Let's start off with some pizza sauce. I'm gonna spread that out evenly. Make sure you don't put too much pizza sauce. You don't want your pizza to be soggy. Normally, I would grate some fresh Parmesan Reggiano over this tortilla pizza, but today I'm gonna use something else. I'm gonna put on this Parmesan cheese wrap. I'm gonna use a second Parmesan cheese wrap to cover the edges of this tortilla. There we go, just rip little pieces. You want the cheese to be spread evenly on your pizza. You don't want some gaps. That would suck. You're gonna put some pepper, sprinkle some Italian spices, some store grated mozzarella cheese. I didn't have any pepperoni, so I decided to put some chorizo over the pizza. Put some peppers on it, because, you know, veggies are all part of a balanced diet. If you want to learn how to cut green peppers the proper way, please click the link in the description below. And let's sprinkle on a little bit more cheese for some good measure. Now, when you put your tortilla pizza in the toaster oven, make sure you set it to broil because you don't want to burn the bottom of the tortilla. Now leave it in your toaster oven until it gets a nice golden brown. And there's your tortilla pizza. Let's have a bite. That melted Parmesan cheese wrap is absolutely delightful. In retrospect, I should have cut the peppers a little bit more thin, but it still tastes absolutely delicious. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe to it and check out the cookbook that I made. You can find the link in the description below. And if you want to see some other great videos, please click that screen.